Welcome. Chatting on Sikur for Android is easy. On the menu, tap Chats and the plus button. From the contact list, you can select one and start typing your messages, like any other instant messaging app. And probably, you will be very familiar with all its features. It is also possible to perform other actions, like attaching images, contacts, and files. Let's take a picture. Type camera image, frame it, take a picture, and confirm. Sending an existing image is also easy and intuitive. You can do it by choosing Gallery Image. Now, select a picture from the list and you're done. Sending contacts and files is similar and easy as well. You just have to select what you want to send from the list, and you're good to go. Easy and with no complications. Another popular feature is forwarding messages. To do so, tap and hold the message and select Forward. Now, choose the contact to send it. Tap Send and you are done. From the chat window, you can also open received and sent files by tapping on them. If you trust it, go ahead and open. Your device must have a compatible third-party app to open it. Another great feature is sending voice messages. To send one, tap and hold the mic icon in the page bottom, the right side. Start talking and take it off when done. If you want to cancel the audio, keep your finger on the screen and slide it to the left. Sikur. Powerful, intuitive, secure.